You guys stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make a quick, nutritious breakfast that doesn't require any cooking. Hey everybody, Hill Country Prepper. Appreciate you guys checking out my videos. Thanks for all the subscribers. Appreciate the comments. Keep them coming. Just want to say thanks for that. I want to show you guys real quick how to put together a quick and easy, very nutritious, no-cook breakfast. Or you can actually eat this as a snack in the afternoon if you'd like. The ingredients I'm going to use is just some of the quick Quaker oats, chia seeds, whole walnuts, golden raisins, granola. This is the Honey Bunches of Oats brand, and this flavor is French vanilla almond. Got some pumpkin seeds, blueberries, oven roasted almonds, that's turmeric, and some local Texas honey. Yeah, man. All right, let's get started. Take your blueberries. I don't know, I guess it's probably about, what, a quarter cup. Put those in there. Some of the pumpkin seeds, and these are salted pumpkin seeds you get from the bulk section of the grocery store. About a teaspoon. Almonds, always good. Get you about that many. Same thing with the walnuts. You can also use pecans if you like pecans better. These are the halves. I think I'll do about 2 of those. Here we go. This is the granola. I actually prefer to use the honey nut, but I think we've already used all that up. Again, about a teaspoon. Golden raisins. I'm going to use about a quarter cup or so, about that much. So back up so it stays fresh. This here's whole chia seeds. Chia seeds are really good for you. And about a teaspoon of that. Now this is just uncooked Quaker instant oats. 3-minute oats, I think is what they call them. It's about a teaspoon. That's uncooked. Last but not least is some turmeric. This will give it a nice smoky flavor. I guess what would that be, like maybe a quarter teaspoon? Kind of sprinkle that on there like that. Now real quick, I'm just going to put just a little bit of water in it, not a lot. What that's going to do, that's going to bind with that chia, and that chia will kind of start to puff up a little bit. That chia is good for getting bad stuff out of your body. Last but not least, some honey. About that much. Stir it all up real good. Really what I think this is just really kind of made a granola bar. Except it's a lot better for you. Alright, here comes the fun part. I always love this when you're watching all the cooking shows and they make something and you sit there and you watch them make it and they go through whatever the pie or cake or whatever it is. And then at the end, they always try it, right? And they go like, oh man, it's so good. This stuff really is good. It's got the blueberries and the raisins to kind of sweeten it up. It's got the walnuts and the almonds that have the crunch. And the granola is going to give it some flavor. The turmeric's going to give it that smoky flavor as well. It's really good, plus it's good for you. All right. Pumpkin seeds got a little salt on them, so it's going to be sweet, salty, crunchy, good. Honey, yummy. Here we go. I like it. Eat this all the time. Those blueberries are great. If you guys go back and look at some of my older videos, I used to be a big old fat ass. I'm not anymore because I eat stuff like this. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, like. If you're not a subscriber, why not subscribe? Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.